Hello, welcome to Docker Technology for DevOps Run Docker Containers course. This course will cover the fundamentals of Docker technology and teach you everything you need to know about developing and deploying modern applications with Docker software. Tons of companies are using Docker containers in production. Today, you have access to the same virtualization technology right on your desktop. Together, we will walk through how to develop and deploy a multi-service web application with Docker technology. We will see how to automate the entire Docker workflow with Docker Compose. You will learn how to deploy our applications across multiple services in the cloud within seconds by using Docker Swarm and much more. During the past 2 years, I've been leading my team to containerize our old monolithic application with a microservice approach. My company has gained massive benefits by running Docker containers in production. And in this course, I'm going to share with you my years of knowledge and best practices of working with Docker applications in the real field. This course is very hands-on. I have put lots of effort to provide you with not only the theory, but also real-life examples of developing Docker applications that you can try out on your own laptop. I have uploaded all the source code to GitHub, and you will be able to follow along with either Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. At the end of this course, you are not only going to gain working-level knowledge of Docker software, but also you will learn useful DevOps skills such as setting up continuous integration pipelines. Nowadays, DevOps engineers are in great demand in the IT industry. Companies are looking for developers who can both develop and deploy the applications. The average salary of a DevOps engineer is about $140,000 per year in Silicon Valley area, which is 20% higher than the salary of a software engineer. Are you ready to take your DevOps skills and career to the next level? Take this course now. At the end of this course, I'm confident that you will gain in-depth knowledge about Docker technology and general DevOps skills to help your company or your own project to apply the right Docker workflow and continuously deliver better software. You will go from zero to Docker Hero in 4 hours. Feel free to take a look at the course description and preview any of the lectures, and I look forward to seeing you inside.